This is my iPad Air, first generation. Last year, about 12 months ago, I purchased a battery for $15 on eBay. The listing actually got delisted because they said that it was a faulty battery. That's the fun thing about eBay. They didn't allow me to refund I could have refunded, but it would have been complicated. So I checked on coconut battery after a year, and surprisingly, it's at 97% capacity. It doesn't seem that way because the battery will jump when it's down to like 20 or 30%. It'll just jump down to like 10%, then 5%. But I thought I'd have to replace the battery. Hopefully, I don't. So this is after a year of replacing the battery myself. Yeah, of course, buying batteries off of eBay is hit or miss, so we'll see.